Welcome back to the Miles and Points channel. I'm Steve, and this is our bite-sized point series where we go over the basics on how to get started in the travel hobby and quick tips on maximizing your points, all under 5 minutes. If you're spending a significant amount of money on groceries and restaurants, you might want to consider a credit card that offers bonus points or cash back on these types of purchases. Here's a few options to consider. The Amex Blue Cash Preferred. This card offers 6% cash back at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 in spend per year on purchases and then 1% afterwards, as well as 6% cash back on select US streaming subscriptions and 3% cash back at US gas stations and on transit. There is a $95 fee for this card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card offers 2 points per dollar spent on dining and travel and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Points can be redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal at a value of around 1.25 cents per point. There's a $95 annual fee on this card. The Capital One Saver. This card offers unlimited 4% cash back on dining and entertainment, 2% cash back on grocery stores, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. There's no annual fee for this card. The Amex Gold. This is actually my favorite card. This card offers an unlimited 4% cash back on Amex membership rewards points on restaurants and 4% back on groceries on up to $25,000 in spend each year. As a bonus, you also earn 3% back on travel booked directly with the airlines or on AmexTravel.com. There is a $250 annual fee for this card, which is pretty high, but I think it's paid for by the $120 annual credit that I get for Grubhub and an additional $120 credit for Uber, so it more than pays back for this card. I usually keep this card with me at all times because I'm always either eating out or shopping at a grocery store. It is worth noting that these are just a few options, and there may be a few other credit cards that offer similar or better rewards for your spending patterns. It's important to compare the features and fees of different credit cards before deciding which one is right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.